Welcome to Howmuch POS, your ultimate retail management solution. Our intuitive dashboard provides essential daily figures and easy access to detailed financial reports, ensuring transparent operations. Access your Z report for an instant daily summary. See total sales, category breakdowns, transaction counts, and average values. Quickly assess your business health and make smarter decisions. Gain complete transparency into all financial activity. Track cash, card, tax, discounts, and voids for precise reconciliation. Manage your cash drawer efficiently. Get clear insights on cash flow, actual versus expected, and quickly spot any discrepancies. Plus, track refunds and complimentary items for full accountability. Howmuch POS offers flexible export options for Z reports. Download as PDF, export to CSV, or print A4. Your data stays accessible. Howmuch POS gives you a clear daily sales and financial overview. Its Z report ensures precise reconciliation, boosting efficiency and peace of mind. Howmuch POS reporting brings unparalleled financial clarity. Seamlessly transform your operations and strategic planning.